Hello guys, so today is April 5. So samahan nyo kami guys. Pupunta lang kami ng Tamanigara. So ito yung sasakyan namin, itong coach. So few hours travel din siya from Singapore and it's part of Malaysia. So medyo malayo pa siya sa Kuala Lumpur. Kaya ayun. See you later guys.
One eternity later.
Good morning guys. So dito na tayo ngayon sa Kuala Tahan, Pahang, Malaysia. So medyo malayo talaga siya guys. So most of the time natutulog lang talaga ako doon sa journey namin papunta dito. But with frequent toilet breaks din naman. So every 2 to 3 hours kapag dumadaan kami sa mga petrol station, ayan, humihinto kami doon para mag toilet break kasi kailangan talaga namin yun. So ngayon ay ayan, naglalakad na kami, pupunta kami sa coffee shop para kakain kami ng breakfast. So bali 2 days and 1 night lang kami dito guys. So mamaya after naming mag check-in doon sa guest house, start na kaagad yung mga activities namin for today. And then bukas babalik na ulit kami ng Singapore. So, ayan na nga guys, nakapag-breakfast na kami dito at natutuwa talaga kami dahil talagang mura talaga ang bilihin dito sa Malaysia kung i-compare mo doon sa Singapore. Mura yung mga prices nila, mga pagkain, yung mga ganon. Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. So, babalik na kami sa bus. Pupunta na kami sa guest house. Hinihingal ako. I'm breathless. So, ayan na nga guys. Nandito na rin yung dalawang van na yan ang sundo namin. Yun ang maghahatid sa amin doon sa guest house. So, ngayon, dahil yung mga gamit namin ay nasa bus pa, so kailangan naming kunin at ilipat sa van. So, ayan. So, now, dito na kami sa van, guys. And we're on the way going to our guest house. And we're going to Tibing's guest house. Marami talagang guest house dito guys. Itong nadadaanan natin, parang guest house din to. Ayan. At saka itong katabi niya. Ayan.
A few moments later.
So, we're here na guys. Ito na yung Tibing's guest house. So, ito yung view niya sa labas. Napakaganda ng ambience niya. So, ayan. So, at napaka-convenient din ang place na to dahil malapit lang talaga ito sa JT area. JT terminal yung something na ganun. So, ngayon, pasok tayo guys. So, mamaya, dito din namin imi-meet yung tour guide namin. At saka, ayun, bibrief niya kami sa mga activities namin for today. So, ayan, naglilinis pa sila. Hindi pa ready. Actually, napakaaga pa namin. So, ang sabi naman ng may-ari ay pwede na kaming magpalit ng damit doon sa may isang room doon at pwede din namin iwanan muna doon yung mga gamit namin habang piniprepare pa nila yung rooms. So, ito nga pala yung room namin, guys. Dalawa kami dito. Ayan. Tamanagara. Pasensya nyo na lang kasi nga, ayan, inayos-ayos pa namin yung mga ano namin.
A few
Both from the sea level. Alright, so maybe we take time almost about 1.5 hours to get to the highest peak. So Bukit Teresik is one of the viewpoint of the Tahan Mountain. So Tahan Mountain is the highest mountain in Peninsular Malaysia. Right, so if we got nice view, I mean it's not cloudy, we get down to the canopy walkway. Canopy is a hanging bridge. Right, so the highest of the canopy 45 meters above from the sea level and then 300 meters long. Okay, for these two activity maybe we might finish around 3 hours or 3 hours and a half. So after the canopy we get down to the jetty and then we're going to take the boat about 5 minutes to the village of the Orang Asli. Yeah. So at the village of the Orang Asli they're going to show us how they're going to make the fire, how they're going to make demonstration for the blowpipe. Maybe we might finish around 1 hour. Okay, after the Orang Asli, we do for the rapid shooting. So rapid shooting is a wet activity. You must get 100% wet. Alright, because we pass about 4 rapid. Okay, 100% wet, right? Okay. So for that activity, you just remind your camera, your phone, or in the dry bag. Yeah. Alright. So after the rapid shooting, we're going to stop somewhere at the beach for the pet lunch. Okay, so I think maybe we might finish around 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock to coming back here. Okay, then after that you get rest, so we continue 8:30 for the night jungle walk. Yes. Alright, so for the night jungle walk, yeah. For the night jungle walk, we still have to cross the river and then we take time about 1 hour for the night jungle walk. Okay, so any question? No? You understand my broken English?
Yeah.
Thank you. Right? So now we have to get down to the river and then we cross the river. Yeah? Okay? Yeah. Yes? 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. About 40 minutes.
Okay, come, let's go. Hey, Michael, last name, Michael.
By default always also.
Michael, where are you? Michael, where are you, Pastor?
Take with the river, part scenery background.来，先上几个人先，然后后面的再上。你们要快，因为你不快我被骂。对。你是最后啊？嗯。
So, ayan na guys, dito na kami sa JT Ferry Terminal. So, ayan, kailangan kasi namin sumakay ng JT para makatawid kami doon sa kabila, doon sa may Tamanigara.
Langgar, tumaw. Langgar. 快点，哪个？哪
兔猫本身，兔猫，兔猫，go go go go，去， you want to go？
No, no, later.
多一个，杜毛，你们两个进去。
OK。
Lock here, take control.
阿公帮你们拍一张。 同一个船，同一个船。刚才那个去的回来，这边要怎么称呼你？叫 Chris。哦，Chris，对，Q。讲 spell。啊？讲 spell。
So ayan na guys, sasakay na kami ng jetty para makatawid kami papunta doon sa may Tamanegara. So ayan, follow me on part 2 guys. Marami pang activities na ipapakita ko sa inyo katulad ng canopy walk, jungle walk, at saka yung rapid shooting. See you, babush!